if there is one thing that has helped me progress in my career more than anything else, it's been applying the principles of hypnotic language patterns in all my interactions in everyday life. As a result of using the hypnotic language patterns and the ability that gives me to influence others in a very positive way, I've been able to meet some incredible people, and I've been involved in some really amazing opportunities. Speaking of incredible people, I'd like to introduce you to my friend Steve. Steve wanted to become a hypnotherapist, but when he started out, he just read a few books and gained a little bit of experience trying out some things he'd read about. He was essentially self-educated, but he really wanted to go into business as a hypnotherapist. Now, of course, when he started out, he had to put some food on the table. He had no job to otherwise support him. So, during the daytime, he worked as a hypnotist, and at nighttime, he'd work as a waiter. Now, somewhere along this path, he discovered the Street Hypnosis Deck, which is a simple set of cards, which I designed to help people both practice and learn, and essentially make hypnotic language really easy to use. Now, he began to use the deck and the language contained in it to practice his hypnosis skills, and soon he ended up boosting his tips like crazy. Now, I recently had a conversation with Steve to ask him about how he managed to do all this. So the first thing I'd like to look at with you right now is how Steve created the hypnotic context that allow him to double and triple his tips during his day job. So now let's talk a little bit about that then, because you have to first set a context in which you can start using these cards and so on. How
Sure.
did you start? I presume you just started off by just throwing the words in randomly without any attempt of doing anything? Or
Oh,
were
it
you doing
was,
teaching?
well, I wanted to put it, I wanted the context, the language pattern to be within the context
Mm-hmm.
of what I was doing. So, but in the beginning, just like anything we start doing, it was pretty sad and sloppy, I would imagine. Uh, I'm sure that most of the people I was working with look at me like, what is this guy doing?
Right.
Because they obviously knew that I was a hypnotist, and I'm sure a lot of it sounded really contrived. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm sure it was really. I wish I had recorded some of those earlier days so I could go
Right.
back and just to laugh at them. But I just wanted to start to put those things into the conversation in some way. And what I would do is I would pick out a card.
To continue with the rest of the training, click the link in the description box to download the videos for free.